Here we have a very common repair, some shopping cart damage to a Lexus RX 350. Our technician Aaron is going to jump in and show you why the Paintless Dent Repair process is the best option for the damage on this vehicle. While Aaron starts on the other side, we're going to take a look at how we repair dents and body lines. A lot of customers call and ask if we can repair dents that go through a body line like this. Today we're going to show you how the Paintless Dent Repair process can do just that. All right, we got the dents all wrapped up. Just a couple hours later, let's take a look at the results.